नमस्सर्वेभ्यः कक्ष्यायां स्वागतम्। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। अस्माभिः पूर्णप्रत्ययान्तानां संख्यायां पूर्णप्रत्ययान्तानां पठनं क्रियमाणमस्ति। पूर्णप्रत्ययान्ताः के संख्यानां रूपद्वयं भवति। एकं तु संख्यावाचकत्वम् एव, यथा एक द्वि इत्यादि, एकः इत्यादि पुल्लिङ्गे, एका इत्यादि स्त्रीलिङ्गे एवं पठितमस्ति। तेषाम् एव यदा पङ्क्तिषु एकं सूचनीयं भवति, आदौ कः अस्ति, मध्ये कः अस्ति, पृष्ठभागे कः अस्ति, एवं सूचयितुम् इच्छामः, तर्हि पूर्णप्रत्ययान्तानाम् उपयोगं भवति। तत्र प्रथमः, द्वितीयः, तृतीयः, चतुर्थः, पञ्चमः, षष्ठः, सप्तमः, अष्टमः, नवमः, दशमः एवं प्रथम दश संख्यानाम् एवमेव एकादशः, अत्र मः इति न भवति, एकादशः, द्वादशः एवं अष्टादशः, नवदशः एवत्पर्यन्तं शः शः इत्येव श्रूयते। तदनन्तरं तमः इत्यस्य प्रयोगः दृश्यते। विंशतितमः, एकविंशतितमः इत्यादि, त्रिंशत्तमः, चत्वारिंशत्तमः, पञ्चाशत्तमः, षष्टितमः, सप्ततितमः, शततमः, शतम् इत्यस्यापि शततमः, सहस्रम् इत्यस्यापि सहस्रतमः, लक्षम् इत्यस्यापि लक्षतमः, कोटिः इत्यस्यापि कोटितमः इत्यादि भवितुम् अर्हति। अत्र किम् अभवत्? पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणां सूचना एव दत्तमस्ति। किमर्थं पुल्लिङ्गं? यः प्रथमस्थाने अस्ति सः पुरुषः, बालः भवितुम् अर्हति। तर्हि प्रथमः बालकः इति सूचनीयं किल? तदर्थम् अत्र विशेषणम् अस्ति। पूर्णप्रत्ययान्ताः अपि विशेषणत्वेन स्थापितुम् अर्हाः इति एवं पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि भवति। अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि सर्वे पश्यतु, अकारान्तत्वम् एव वहति। अर्थात् रामशब्दवत् एतयोः विभक्तिषु रूपाणि। प्रथमः, प्रथमौ, प्रथमाः, प्रथमं, प्रथमौ, प्रथमान् एवमेव अग्रे सरति। स्त्रीलिङ्गेषु केचन आकारान्तत्वं, केचन ईकारान्तत्वं वहति। केचन एव प्रथमा, द्वितीया, तृतीया एते एव आकारान्ताः। प्रथमा, द्वितीया, तृतीया एते एव आकारान्ताः। एते तु रमाशब्दवत्। रमा, रमे, रमाः, रमां, रमे, रमाः इत्यादि तद्वत् एव प्रथमा, प्रथमे, प्रथमाः, प्रथमां, प्रथमे, प्रथमाः इत्यादि रूपाणि। ईकारान्तानां तु नदीशब्दवत्। नदी, नद्यौ, नद्यः, नदीं, नद्यौ, नद्यः अथवा नदीः इति किमपि स्यात्, तत् द्रष्टव्यं। किञ्चित् एतदपि किञ्चित् दृष्ट्वा निर्धारणं कर्तुं शक्नुमः। तु एवं तु तर्हि एवमेव अन्तपर्यन्तम् ईकारान्तत्वमेव दृश्यते। षष्ठी इति षट्शब्दस्य किञ्चित् पृथक् रूपमस्ति। तत्र षष्ठी इति किञ्चित् षष्ठी इत्यस्य सामञ्जस्यं वहति। तत्र किञ्चित् गहनरीत्या द्रष्टव्यम् अस्माभिः। षष्ठी इति स्त्रीलिङ्ग 6th पर्सन् इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे भवति, परन्तु षष्टिः इति विसर्गसहितं सामान्यसंख्या 60 इति। षष्टितमः, षष्टितमी, षष्टितमम् इति 60th पुल्लिङ्गे, स्त्रीलिङ्गे, नपुंसकलिङ्गे च। अत्र तु षष्ठः, षष्ठी, षष्ठम् इति किञ्चित् तत्र अवधानं स्थापितव्यम् अस्माभिः. कन्फ्यूजन्, क्लेशः भवेत्, भ्रमः भवेत्. एतत् सर्वम् अस्माभिः पठितमेव. इदानीम् इतोपि केचन अभ्यासान् कृत्वा अग्रे सरामः. द्वितीय अभ्यासे एवमस्ति: fill in the blanks with ordinal forms of numerals in brackets. Remember that the ordinals should agree with the noun in gender, number and case. Visheshana rules. Okay. So one, they have given example. In bracket, they would have written the Sankhya, but we are expected to write the Purna Pratyayanta, not एके दिने. We should write प्रथमे दिने. प्रथमे दिने उद्घाटन कार्यक्रमः आसीत्. So here we have to kind of know the linga. So dine comes from dinam, napumsakalinga shabda. So saptami ekavachana. Luckily pullinga and napumsaka also collide there similarly. Oh, by the way, I forgot to talk about the antakriya of napumsakalinga. All the napumsakalinga purna pratyayantas are akarantas, just like pullinga. So phala shabdavat, phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani, phalena phalabhyam palaihi, pratamam pratame pratamani, prathamam pratame pratamani, prathamena pratamabhyam pratamaihi. Like this it will go. Pullingavat tritiya vibhaktitah pullingavat तावत् पर्यन्तं नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपाणि भिद्यते. यथा प्रथमं, प्रथमे, प्रथमानि एवं. तो अत्र दिनम् इति शब्दस्य दिने इति सप्तमी, एवमेव प्रथमम् इति शब्दस्य प्रथमे इति सप्तमी एकवचने स्थापनीयं. तो किञ्चित् अवधानं स्थापितव्यम् अस्माभिः लिङ्गस्य, अन्तक्रिया लिङ्गस्य अपि च विभक्तिवचनानां सूचना. दिने इति सप्तमी एकवचने अस्ति, तर्हि प्रथमम् इति शब्दः अपि प्रथमे इति एकवचने सप्तम्यां स्थापनीयम् अस्ति. So there is some analytical work required by us by looking at the visheshyam, determining its qualities, and then declining the number, ordinal number in its correct vibhakti and vachana. Okay, and linga, of course. So next one is Vriddha. So let's call upon somebody to help us. Shweta Varye, can you participate? Shweta? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you managed to unmute. So please try this second one. First read it and then solve it.
Yeah, just a moment. त्रिंशतितमयाः कपाटिकायाः पुस्तकानि आनयतु.
No. You are in second exercise, second subsection exercise of the grammar part. So
page 48.
Okay. Somebody has helped you. Page 48. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the page.
Okay, can you look at this? Okay, don't worry now. I think there is some confusion. You may not be able to see the screen well or something. I'm not sure. It is visible on the displayed slide.
Yeah, definitely.
Vriddha, like that, number one.
I can try the next one. By that time, I'll get like what is to be done.
Okay. Try the second one.
This 3 I have to form in the adjective form.
Yeah, see, let me walk you through the process. So anyway, number 3, kapatikayah pustakani anayatu. So kapatika is the pratipadika. Akaranta strilinga. See, I have written it here. Kapatika is the strilinga shabda. What vibhakti is kapatikayah? Do you know? Sitayaha.
Shashti.
Shashti. Very good. So Shashti strilinga ekavachana. Okay. Of the kapatika. So of the third kapatika is what we have to form. Third is the number to arrive at. So number 3 should go in strilinga. Okay. And then it should be shifted to shashti. So actually kapatikayah pustakani shashti also, panchami also we can take. Don't worry from that part why I have written panchami here. So here what is the number?
Is it?
Tritiya is the number. Tritiya and then? Yaha. Tritiya yaha kapatika yaha pustakani anayatu. Okay,
Yes.
so that is the process. The earlier one would be dvitiyena putrena. So this
Yes,
is
yes.
tritiya vibhakti. So pullinga,
I
putraha,
got it
so
now. Yeah.
putrena. Okay,
Yeah.
tritiyaya.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Bhagini. Take rest and track the rest of the answering. Let's invite. There are two Maithilis. One Maithili Krishnan is there. I would like to invite Maithili Krishnan first.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Excellent. So try this number 3, Bhagini.
Nakchatreshu.
What is this number in Sanskritam?
Number is 18.
Uh,
Number is 28.
27.
27, sorry.
Yeah, 8 goes like that. Okay. See, 8 is here. See this 8. So this is 7. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 are ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha. Okay. Okay. Now you go. Saptavimshatihi is the number. Okay. Just to help you out. Saptavimshatihi is the number. Nakshatram is a napumsaka shabda. Now, nakshatreshu, something, nakshatram revati. So, what is the vibhakti of nakshatram? No. Just answer what I'm asking. What is the vibhakti of nakshatram?
Saptami.
No.
No, nakchatreshu.
See, here it is saptami.
But
the Visheshanatva goes with nakshatram. See, among so many stars, that is nakshatreshu. Some particular star is Revati. So when we say star is Revati, what is the vibhakti of the word star?
Sashti vibhakti.
Are no, prathama vibhakti. See, she is Revati. Nakshatra is Revati. So it is prathama vibhakti. Nakshatram Revati. Okay. Nakshatram's built-in linga is Napumsakatva, but her name is Strilinga. That is fine in Sanskritam. We call this a Vidheka Bhava. Okay. Napumsaka Nakshatra has taken in the Vidheka Bhava the name Revati in Strilinga. Okay. So these are not Visheshana Visheshya pairs. These are what we call as Vidheyaka, Vidhe, something is there. Technically forgetting Bhava. So that kind of assignment technique is that. But anyway, so here we have to say 27th Nakshatra. 27 in Napumsakalinga will sound how?
Vimshati saptamaha.
No. Saptavimshati and then something has to come. What has to come?
Sorry, I'm little lost.
Okay, little getting confused. So it is Saptavimshati is the Sankhya. So the Purna Pratyayanta will be Saptavimshati Tamam because of Napumsakatva. Okay, Nakshatram. So Saptavimshati.
Tamaha tamam.
Saptavimshati tamam. If it was some Pullinga Shabda, it would have been Saptavimshati tamaha here. If it was, for example, if you don't want to say Nakshatram at all, avoid it and directly ascribe the numeral to Revati. For example, if I delete Nakshatram, Nakshatreshu Saptavimshati tama Revati. Tami, correct, Tami. So, Nakshatreshu Saptavimshati tami Revati. That is also another accurate answer. But Nakshatram being there, we have to go with Visheshanatva to Nakshatram in Napumsaka. Saptavimshati tamam Nakshatram Revati asti. Okay?
Avagatam. Idanim avagatam.
No problem. Stand by, please. Yeah, no problem. It's all process. No, don't do Kshama. This is process of learning. That's why I'm calling you guys. Why am I spending so many hours in the class doing these exercises? Because that's where errors will come out. Okay? Me keep on blabbering something won't educate much. Okay? Anjana Variye. Okay, some problem with her, I think, in unmuting.
Sorry, sir. I am. Yeah. Sunita Yaha
Putriyai.
Prashasti Pradatta. This is
Pancha.
Putre Pancha.
How do first do the Pratama Vibhakti form of Pancha in Purna Pratyaya? What is the form?
Strilinga.
Here it is. Panchami.
Panchami.
So Panchami. So Panchami has to be taken to what vibhakti? What is the vibhakti here of Putriyai?
Putriyai. This is, sorry.
For
Putriyai.
the daughter. See, for the daughter.
Fourth.
Fourth case.
Fourth.
Very good. Chaturthi vibhakti.
Bahuvachana.
No, 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 no. One
Putriyai,
putri only. Putri shabda, ekavachana only. Putriyai. See,
Putriyai.
Sitayai. Okay. So it is
Ha.
ekavachana only. So,
Panchamayai.
Panchamayai Bharata. Panchami is there.
Panchami.
Panchamyai will come. Panchamyai will come. Okay. Panchamyai. Because of ikarantatva, that a sound will go away. Panchamyai will come. Okay. This, what we now have to do is know our ikaranta strilinga shabda, akaranta strilinga shabda, and akaranta pullinga and akaranta napumsaka. These four, if we know, this should be cakewalk. Okay. Of course, identifying the vibhakti, which you did correctly, is the first exercise. Then identifying the prathama vibhakti form and then declining it into the correct vibhakti and vachana is the next process. Thanks, Bhagini. Well done. So let's call upon the men folk here will go on up in arms if I don't invite some of them. So let me involve Ganesh Nayak Varya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Itha dash grihe mama pitravyah vasati.
Correct. Grihe is the Visheshyam. What is the Vibhakti?
Grihe chaturthi vibhakti.
No, no, no. In the house. Okay. In the house, my uncle stays. In the house. So?
The house.
Saptami.
Okay,
Locative.
Saptami.
Locative.
Yeah, locative.
Bengaluru Nagare. Grihe. Like that. Okay. Saptami. And it is Napumsaka Griham Shabda. So what is this number?
Vimshati.
As a number, it is Vimshatihi.
Yeah,
okay, as a number, it is Vimshatihi. Now, as a Purana Pratyayanta in Napumsaka, what is the Prathama Vibhakti form, Ekavachana?
Vimshati tamam.
Vimshati tamam. Perfect answer. Vimshati tamam. How do you take it to Saptami? Very easy.
Vimshati tamam. Tame.
Tame. Perfect. Well done. Itaha Vimshati tame grihe mama pitruvyah vasati. From here to in the 20th. So in the 20th, in the house, my uncle stays. Okay. My paternal uncle stays. Okay. See how Pitruvya explains paternality, maternality also. Pitruvya. Thanks, Varya. Well done. Dinesh Shavarya.
Sir.
Next one for you.
Adhikari Trinshat Attat Agamishyati.
Trimshat has to go into Purana Pratyayanta now. And the Vibhakti? Attat is what Vibhakti?
Attat is Tritiya.
Panchami. From the floor. Okay. Ramat Sita phalam svikritavati. From Rama, Sita received the fruit. Okay. So Attat is the Panchami Vibhakti, which is the departure from where things departed. So yeah.
Adhikari Trinshatat.
Trimshat Tamat.
Tamat.
That is all. You forgot the Tama part. Trimshat Tamat. Okay. Tamat Attat Agamishyati. Well done. Trimshat Tamat. Well done, Varya. Thank you. So, guys, exercise is like this. Due to lack of time, let us do some crowdsourcing now. Whoever is ready. Vidyalayasya. This is Navadasha. Navadasha is the number. Prakoshte Samskrita Pataha Prachalati. So, Prakoshte, what Vibhakti? Saptami Vibhakti. And Pullinga Prakoshta Shabda. Actually, Mahaprana I should have typed here. Anyway, Pullinga Prakoshta Shabda, Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana. So, Navadasha. Navadashe. Well done. No Tama
Navadashe.
business until 19. Okay. So
Mhm.
Navadashe will go. Okay. See how many rules we have to track, right? So very good exercise for us. Navadashe Prakoshte. Next one. Jayanagarasya Dvavimshatihi is the Sankhya. Dvavimshatihi. Upamargat Yanam.
Margat is Panchami.
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 Correct. And it is Pullinga.
Pullinga. Then Janana
Sama.
Garas.
Dvavimshat Tamat.
Dvavimshat.
Correct. Dvavimshatihi is the Sankhya. Tama Pratyaya. Then At for Panchami. So Dvavimshati Tamat. Next, Sainikaha Chatvarimshat is the Sankhya. Vayasi eva mrutavan.
Rupa.
Vayasi.
Space off Rupa.
Madam, your microphone is open. So Vayasi.
Sorry.
No problem. Vayasi is what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. Somebody did very well. In that age. See, also the sentence helps us. The soldier, in that particular age only, he died. Sad for us. But anyway, sad for his family also. But anyway, this is a generic sentence. So, Sainikaha Chantvarimshat something Vayasi eva mrutavan. What is that?
Varimshattame.
Chatvarimshattame. Bhagini was very fast on the button. Well done. Okay, Pullinga Saptami. Don't go with this C confusion and say Chatvarimshat tamasi or something. Tamasi is some other word. Okay, so Chatvarimshattame Vayasi eva mrutavan. Sakarantaha Vayas Shabdaha. These are all tougher ones, but we'll learn over time. Okay, last one here in the screen. Asmakam suhrudaha shat is the number. Yane upavishtavantaha. Yanam napumsaka. Saptami again.
Napunsaka lingam.
Saptami vibhakti.
Saptami vibhakti. Shashthe. Very good. See, Shashtham Yanam, Shashthe Yane, Napumsaka form. Shashthe Yane. Pullinga also has the same form, but we have to stare at the Napumsaka column. Shashthe Yane. Okay, Shashthe Yane. Sixth vehicle, they sat. Our friend. Our friend in the sixth in the vehicle, Suhrudaha, friends, Bahuvachana. Okay, Suhrut Shabda. So Suhrudaha. So Asmakam Suhrudaha, our friends in the sixth in the vehicle, they sat. See, I stared at Upavishtavantaha, said, how is Bahuvachana? Then went back. Oh, my brain misfired. It is not one friend, it is many friends. Okay. See, this Takaranta Shabdas, they sound the same in Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachana and Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. Suhrudaha is also Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana form of Suhrut Shabda. So contextually we have to get it. Some sounds confuse us. Not everything is differentiated in the table, as we know very well. Okay?
So, this ninth one.
Ninth one.
You can explain, sir, how it is Saptami? It is qualifying which noun?
Vayasi. Vayasi is Saptami. So it is calling Vayasi. So in the 40th in the age.
Okay.
Actually, in English you say at that age, but it is like in Samskritam we use Saptami. Just like you would use it in Hindi or Kannada, Saptami. So we say, for example, Sainikanu Nalavattaneya Vayassinalli. Alli is the Saptami Pratyaya in Kannada. So Nalavattaneya Vayassinalli ye we add to Alli. Nalavattena Vayassinalli ye Sattanu. Like that. Those who know Kannada will appreciate the word. Forget it. Oh, new Kannada dore. Santosh.
All the articles will be Ekavachanam forms only, Mahoday?
No. Sometimes Dvitiyaihi Putraihi Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. So Guruvarya Kakshyayam Vadati ye Griheshu Pratamaha Santi Te Uttishtantu. Like that. All those who are first in your house, you stand up. I don't know what it means to be first in the house. Don't worry. So when you want to address many firsts, due to some other qualification they have of being first, not in the class but in their house or something, then you have to use plural of them, right? That is when you use plurality. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
this YSL, what is the noun? YSL.
Vayas, vayaha iti pratama vibhakti ekavachana, vayaha, vayas shabdah, sakaranta vayas shabdah. Okay. Okay, I'm muting everyone because we finished that. So next is actually a new learning for us today. So we are calling this Chit Chana Prayoga. This Chit Chana Prayoga is used to mean so many, someone, that aspect. Okay, see here, koi of Hindi, yaro of Kannada. Okay, so that is the Pratama Vibhakti. For example, in another Vibhakti, by someone, okay, koi se, like that we had in Hindi, no? So same way, yarindalo will come in Kannada. So that same thing we are going to learn how to do it in Samskritam. Okay, so when we don't know who, but we know somebody, okay, that is when we use this chit or chana. Chit and chana are like two options available. You can go with chit or you can go with chana. So kavis can, use the correct one according to their needs if they want. If they want to collide the takara with the next akshara, then they will use the takara anta chit. If they want a separate akshara, they can use chana because it ends in a complete swarayukta akshara. Okay, so let us study these sentences. Kaschit purushaha tatra gacchati. Kaschit purushaha tatra gacchati. Kaschit, someone, masculine. Okay, it is formed out of kaha plus chit. And then some sandhi prakriyas happen to transform this kaha to kas and sakara to sha. So there are two sandhis taking place. And that is kaschit. That's both are Vyanjana Sandhi, so I don't want to explain too much. But Kaschit is the form that comes whenever Visarga and then something Chit will come, right? Like that. Kaschit. So Kachit Vriddha. So what is this meaning? Some male person, some guy, that's easier to say. Some guy over there, he goes. Okay. So the security chief is telling the guard, hey, Kaschit Purusha Tatra Gachati. Gachatu, tam pruchatu. Ko saha iti. Okay, who is he? Okay, kassaha, sorry, not ko saha, kassaha. So the supervisor is telling, hey, there is some man going there. Go ask him who is he. Like that. So that is when he says, kaschit purushaha tatra gacchati. Huh? So like that. Suchana. So kachit vriddha katham vadati. Some old lady, a story she tells. Okay, kachit vriddha katham vadati. He balaha tatra gatva shrunvantu. All you boys go there and listen. Boys and girls. Balaha is both included. Okay, so kachit vriddha katham vadati. So here we changed over to ka because she is a strilinga. So all this kaschit, kachit, etc. they have linga beda according to the visheshyam. So they are actually like, because somebody is a visheshana to that body, that body has a linga, so that's why it is also linga. And kaha shabda is the one that is playing with the chit or chana. So far we have seen chit forms, but yeah. So kachit, there is no sandhi prakriya, straightforward they join. So kachit. Okay, kachit vriddha katham vadati. Someone feminine. Rameshah kenachit mitrena saha nagaram gatavan. Mitram is a napumsakalinga shabda, by the way. Friend is a napumsakalinga shabda. The friend may be masculine, feminine, that is a secondary matter. But as a shabda, it is napumsaka. Okay, so mitram can be a female friend or a male friend. That is a separate matter. But as a word, it is friend is a napumsaka shabda. Rameshah kenachit mitrena saha nagaram gatavan. Ramesha with someone. So kena, the kaha shabda is switched to kena form because of the tritiya vibhakti of mitrena. So the vibhakti is at play with the kaha shabda and then the chit is adding. That's what we are noticing. Okay, kena chit. Again, there is no sandhi, straightforward collusion of these two. Kena chit mitrena saha nagaram. So Ramesha with some friend, he went to the town. Like, okay. Grihaswamini kasmai chit sevakaya vastram dattavati. Okay, so dana kriya, dattavati, dana kriya. And who gave the dana? Grihaswamini. So she is the giver. Okay, but For whom? Sevakaya. Okay, so this is in receiver case, which is Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Kasmai. So Kaha Shabda is like Sarvanama Shabda, just like Saha Shabda. Saha taute, tam tautan, tena tabhyam taihi. Okay, Tasmai tabhyam tebhyah. Okay, so Tasmai, Kasmai. Kaha Shabda is like Saha Shabda. So Kasmai. So for someone, Kasmai chit. Someone we have to make it, we have to add chit. Kasmai simply means for whom. Okay, for someone is actually like a built-in random answer to that. Kasmai is built in the chit. Kasmai chit, for someone, like that. So for someone, for the sevaka, for some sevak, vastram dattavati, she gave a cloth, like that. Okay, so we have seen kaha, we have seen ka, we have seen kena, we have seen kasmai. Kena was with napumsaka shabda, kasmai was with pullinga shabda, sevakaha. Kasmat chit vrikshat phalam patitam. Kasmat plus chit. Kasmat chit. Takara switches to chakara to easily pronounce the sandhis are always for easy pronunciation. Kasmat chit vrikshat. If you try to say ta there, your tongue will twist. Kasmat chit. You will have temporal problems pronouncing that. So that's why sandhis are to aid pronunciation. Kasmat chit, very easy. Vrikshat palam patitam. From some tree, fruit fell. So Kavita Varye, you have a question? Kavita Katre? No. Okay. She unmuted random.
No, sir.
accident.
No, sir. By
No
mistake.
problem. No problem. So vrikshat, panchami vibhakti, from the tree. So kasmat. So same declension here. Kasmat plus chit, kasmat chit. Okay. Kasminschit pustake aham etam katham drishtavan. In some book, saptami pustake. In some book, this story I saw. Okay. I'm saying because aham is there, sa, that's all it's there. Became the person who saw. Drishtavan. Kasminschit pustake. Kasmin, saptami ekavachana of saha shabda also is like that. Tasmin. Okay. So the same way, kaha shabda goes to kasmin. Kasmin plus chit. Here there are many sandhis at play. We call it sudagama shchutva. Okay. So the nakara and the chakara, harsh chakara, collide to create an invocation of a sakara for easing the pronunciation. That is called sudagama. Okay. Agama sandhi. So far you have seen adesha sandhis, right? Agama sandhi. Something new comes into the picture. The sakara which was absent has come in there. This sakara has changed to shakara. And the nakara has become a anuswara bindu. So many transformations. Okay. So this is sudagama process. Kasminschit. So easy to pronounce. Kasminschit pustake aham etam katam drishtavan. In some book, I saw this story. Chatraha kanchana shikshakam prishtavan asit. Okay. So chatraha kam shikshakam prishtavan asit. Chatraha kanchana shikshakam prishtavan asit. The student, which teacher he had asked, the student, some teacher he had asked. See how we transform the question word itself into the answer everywhere. Kaha purushaha tatra gacchati, kaschit purushaha tatra gacchati, ka vruddha katam vadati, kachit vruddha katam vadati, Rameshaha kena mitrena saha nagaram gatavan, kenachit mitrena saha nagaram gatavan. Like this. You see the kaku I am using. Answer kaku, question kaku. Very important in Samskritam also. Grihaswamini kasmai sevakaya vastram dattavati. That sevakaya also she did. Kasmai vastram dattavati. Kasmai chit sevakaya vastram dattavati. Answer brings the sevaka in the accent sense. Kasmat vrikshat phalam patitam. Kasmat chit vrikshat phalam patitam. Chinta ma karotu. Khadatu. Like that. Eat it. Like that. So this kind of beautiful chitchana prayogas. So far we have seen only one chana. Everywhere chit is dominant. Okay. Keshu chit vidyalayeshu uttamam pathanam na prachalati. So, keshu vidyalayeshu uttamam pathanam na prachalati. In which schools superior teaching doesn't happen? Somebody is asking. Never the adhikari. So he is more interested in bhakshanam. Anyway, keshuchit vidyalayeshu. Here sometimes keshuchit can be taken in a few. sometimes, or in some. Okay, when we use, just like in English, when you say in some, we sometimes have the bhava of in a few. That can also come in Sanskritam, but that is accented this way in Sanskritam. Keshuchit eva vidyalayeshu uttamam pathanam na prachalati, anyatra sarvatra samyageva asti. Like this. Okay, eva can accent this a few sense into this. Okay, so otherwise it simply means in a few. In some, actually, sorry, in a few is not indicated. In some. Okay, in schools, superior teaching doesn't occur. Okay. Any questions? Please unmute. As you know, in my class, please, you can jump in. Kebhyashchit janebhyah tyagah na rochate. Kebhyah. So kebhyah plus chit, same process. You see here visarga, kahachit, kaschit. So kebhyashchit. So there is some prototype. Once we learn those prototypes of how to transform, this is a cakewalk. Okay. Kebhyashchit janebhyah tyagah na rochate. So ruch dhatu. Ruch dhatu is forcing what vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi
Chaturthi.
vibhakti. Chaturthi vibhakti. So this is janebhyah is Chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. So for by some people, okay, the act of tyaga, not by, how do you say, for some people, I guess. Because ruch dhatu is like da dhatu, it is also forcing Chaturthi for the receiver. So for
To
some people, like that. Okay, so for some people, the act of sacrifice is not desirable. That's the closest we can translate that. Okay. Halavu janarige tyagavu ishta illa, like that. Ichhayaguvudill, something like that. Aham kanchana prashnan prashtum ichchami. So aham kan prashnan prashtum ichchami. Okay. So what questions I would like to ask? Kanchana prashnan prashtumicchami. Some questions I would like to ask. Okay, this kan is dvitiya bahuvachana, prashnan, because prashnan is the karma pada for the ichchami. Actually, prashna, prashtum. Okay, for this prashna karana, it is the karma, not for the ichchami. So prashnan prashtum tumunanta. So this goes as a karma for this tumunanta. Okay, and then ichchami. Okay.
Kebhyaschu is not Chitu is not Panchami, sir. The ninth one. Kebhyas Chitu is not Panchami, is it?
Ruchdatu is forcing Chaturthi, right? That's how it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. So the for sense is there, not the from sense. Okay. For sense. Just like in English also the sense is Chaturthi like. Yeah.
Sir, fifth one. Kasmachit. There is a sandhi, sir. There's
Yeah. The takara is changing to chakara. There is a sandhi at play. Correct. I have not indicated everything. Okay, some places clearly no sandhi. Some places there are sandhi. Some places I have indicated. That's all. I have not shown the exhaustive list here. Okay. For example, in kanchana, see this kanchana shikshakam. So kam makara changes to varga panchami, cha cha ja jang nya. So there is a savarna, parasavarna it is called, because chavarga has the nasikatva in the nya, cha cha ja ja nya. So the makara changes to that nasikatva, kanchana, like that, not kamchana. Kamchana is like harsh, kanchana is sweet, just like kanchana is sweet. Gold. Okay. Aham kanchana prashnan prashtum ichchami. So here again Sudagama. Nakara and Chakara colliding like a kasmin's chit, like that. So Sudagama chutva. So kanchana. We'll see Bindu and the Shakara. Okay. All right. Luckily, since both Chit and Chana start with Chakara, the kind of sandhis are similar. Okay. The Ikara doesn't have any role in the sandhi because Cha is the leading Vyanjana. So the Cha collides with whatever behind. Okay. So that's what we have to worry about, not the Ikara or the Akara. So that's why we say the primitive Akshara is at play. Two primitive Aksharas, the basic Aksharas, whether they are Swaras or Vyanjanas, they are at play. Okay. Okay, so we move forward. Now we say the niyamas. See, Sanskrit Bharati is brilliant. First, they give the examples. I did a little bit overloading by giving some explanation there, but that's okay. So here they teach you niyamaha, the rules. Chit and chana are both indeclinables. Okay.
Mahodaya,
Uh,
in the examples, there is no Shashti Vibhakti example.
no. It's not exhaustive. It's not exhaustive. I agree. It's not an exhaustive list because if you take pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga, all the vibhaktis, you get quite a few forms. That exhaustive thing I will show. See here.
Okay.
See here. I have exhaustive list here for you. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
That is my work. So chit and chana are both indeclinables. So that means they don't get any pratyayas. They are just becoming kind of pratyayas to some other form. Okay, so in the end, it looks like it is an avyaya, but technically, if you go back, it is not an avyaya because kam, kan, kaihi already have the vibhakti pratyaya in them. So just because we added chit and chana, that thing became a avyaya is a little bit moot point. MOOT, moot point. This I don't know why they say that in English. So it's like almost like a mute point. Okay, so there is no difference. What is this happening to my mouse? Okay, there is no difference in the meaning conveyed by them. That means whether you use chit or chana, there is nothing spectacularly different you're doing. Both are introducing that someness into that answer. Okay, somebody. They are added only to the different forms of kim shabda is incorrect statement. Okay, that's why I have highlighted and put a cross there. Not only kim shabda, few other shabdas also take chichana. Okay, so I'm going to show that also sometime. Here, everything I have shown in for kim shabda, dominantly kim shabda, which is kaha and ka and kim in the pullinga, strilinga, napumsakala forms. That shabda is dominantly using chichana, but there are a few others. Okay, few other prashnartaka shabdas. For example, kutra also takes kutra chit. So kutra gacchati, Ramaha kutra gacchati, Ramaha kutrachit gacchati, Bhavan ma chintayetu. So somewhere he goes like that. Okay. Again, this is not Ayodhya Rama. We have to mind where he goes. He's going in the right place right now. Okay. Kim Shabda being a Visheshana takes the gender, number and case of the Visheshya. So this Kim Shabda is taking the gender, number and case. So accordingly, the Chitchana is attached to that. So Chittanchana may not take. Maithili has a question.
Mahodaya, Kutaha doesn't feature in this.
Kutaschit. Yes, you're right. Kutra, Kutaha. Few other kaka, what we call prashnartaka kakaras are there, no? So they also take the chichana. So actually the way they should have said is, they should have said they are added only to prashnarthaka forms. Okay? Generally prashnarthaka forms take the chichana because it's an answer to prashnarthakas. Okay? So that's the correct definition. But if you just delete only, the statement is correct. If they are added to different forms of kim shabda, that much is the truth, but it's not the entire truth. They are also added to some other prashnartaka forms like kutra and few others like what you mentioned. Okay, kutaha, like that. See, kutaha is actually a special form. Kutaha is a tasil pratyaya added to the same kim pratipadika to generate kutaha instead of kasmat. Okay, so instead of kasmat, you can make it kutaha. And kutaha, why it is convenient is it is trilingaka. Whether it is a strilinga source, a pullinga source, and a pumsaka source, you can use kutaha as a panchami form. So tasil is taught by Samskrita Bharati a lot to say, okay, take this simple shortcut, your panchami is simplified. So Sita taha, Rama taha, Lakshmana taha, Lanka taha, Bengaluru taha, Ukarantatva, Ikara, nothing matters. So taha, 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 like that it goes. So it's very cheap tasil. So to that also you can add chichana. Kutaschit.
Kati janaha santi,
Kati, how many? Kim that is also. Yeah. But I don't know Kati chit. No, there we have to come back to Kim Shabda. Okay. Kechit or Kachit, something like that we have to answer. Katichit, perhaps. Okay.
Guru,
I have to check that. It's a good question. Very good question.
So
Next
all the
page they have explained others
Saptakakaras
also.
will take him, no?
I
This,
think so. All the Saptakakaras take. If Kati also takes, the answer is completely. Okay. Yeah. Kati is how
Thank you.
many? Yeah. Okay. So let's finish reading what Samskrita Bharati is trying to teach us. So Visheshya Visheshana that we saw. Note the changes in forms when the Chit and Chana are added. I have kind of already explained a little bit, but they have kind of nicely done it. Kam Chana, Kanchana. So Parasavarana. Then Kanchana, Kanschana. So Sudagama. Remember these techniques. Huh? Then Kaihi Chit Visarga Sakara Shakara. Kaischit. Okay. So Visargasya Sakaratva and then Sakarasya Shakaratvam due to Cha's presence. Kaischit. Okay. This is basically because Sh and Cha belong in the same gang in the Paninian Akshara Vinyasa. So the transformation of the Sa to Sh is due to that. Basically, he's trying to help the pronunciation. What Panini is doing in his Sandhis. Panini, when I mean all the grammarians. Okay. Kasmat plus Chit. So Takara changes to Chakara. Kasmat Chit. Then Kesham plus Chit. Makara and Chakara. Just like this Kanchana. Keshanchit. Okay. So the Makara changes to Varga Panchama. Parasavarana Sandhi. Okay. Kasminchit. So again Sudagama. Okay. Kaha Chit. Kashchit. So Shakara. So Sakara Shakara transformation. Kam plus Chit. So again Parasavarana. Kanchit. Very easy now. You see, once we learn the Sandhi names, the technology is simplified for us. Okay. Kabihi. Again Visarga to Sakara to Shakara. Kabishchit. Consistent. Kasyaha, again Visarga to Sakara to Shakara. So Kasyaschit. Kasam Chit. So again Parasavarana Makara, right? So Kasanchit. So same Parasavarana. Kasyanchit. Oh, why there is a Bindu? I am believing it is a typo. Because once Parasavarana has come into picture, you cannot bring back the Anuswara Bindu. There are no two Nasikas. There is only one Nasika.
Mahodaya, in my book, there is no Bindu.
It's a typo that has been corrected in your newer, spanking new books. In my old book, it is still this typo. Okay. At least I was able to identify it. I'm happy. Okay. So, all right. So, how are we doing on time? We have some more time to keep continuing. So, read the following sentences. Mama Lekhani kutrachit patita. See, now just now here only, and suddenly there is kutrachit in the pitch. It's kind of funny. You laugh. Mama Lekhani kutrachit patita. In your book, it still carries this only? Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So
they should.
I have also done that. Like you said, I said to question forms.
Okay, very good. So you can make a pencil note in your textbook about that. So Mama Lekhani kutrachit patita. You see, Katichit is there, Bagini. Your answer has come in the textbook. Okay. See, Kadachit sajjanaha pi rushtaha bhavati. Kadachit. So kutrachit, somewhere. So my pen, somewhere she fell. She fell because she is feminine. Kadachit sajjanaha pi rushtaha bhavati. Sometimes, see, when a good person becomes angry, kadachit sajjanaha api rushtaha bhavati. When sometimes, or sometime, in English you sometimes say sometimes. I don't think it means in a true plural sense. But for Sanskritam, it is simply sometime. Okay? Even a good person becomes angry like that. Well-behaved person, sajjana. Prakoshthe kutaschit sheetavayuh agacchati. So, Prakoshte kutah sheetavayuh tasil pratyaya. Prakoshte kutah sheetavayuh agacchati. From where this cold air is coming? Kutaschit sheetavayuh agacchati. Chinta ma karotu. Like that. Somewhere it is coming. Some window or some... Katichit nanakani prapya bhikshukah santushtah. So, kati nanakani prapya bhikshukah santushtah abhavat. Katichit nanakani prapya bhikshukah santushtah. Even a few, in the sense of a few. See how Samskrit Bharati is trying to teach us. Now, when we add chit to kati, we means a few. Right. Katanchit balakah vriksham arudhavan somehow. Okay, how, katham. See another shabda. So we saw with kutra, we saw with kada, we saw with kutaha, we saw with kati, we saw with katham. All these are other than kim shabda prashnartakas. Some more may be there, then they will also take chichana. Okay, think I have listed some that may be missing. Kutra, kada, kutaha, kati, katham. Kutra,
Kutra,
kada.
kati, kada, kutaha,
I think I have
kada,
finished
kimartam.
all. There is no more. More or
No,
less
kimartam
everybody.
is not there.
Kimartam chit is not. Kimartam artham pratyaya is discarded. The kim shabda is used and declined. Huh?
Guruvarya, I have one doubt.
Tell me. Doubt.
In this first one, Mama Lekhani Kutrachit Patita. This what we have done for all the dhatu roops, that this patita is supposed to use with in karmani form. So is this karta is missing here in this sentence?
No, lekhani patita.
But then lekhani is not in
Visheshana form it is taken. Okay.
Okay, so this has to be in tritiya vibhakti, correct? Lekhani.
See, what we have to take is some karana is in tritiya. Kimapi karanamasti karanena lekhani patita. Like that you can take. Okay. You can.
Okay.
But it is actually, if you take this much part, it looks like kartari, but you take it as a visheshanatva. Patita asti. Okay. Mama lekhani kutrachit patita asti. Like that.
Okay.
Asti is still active voice, right?
Correct. Okay. Thank you.
You add the asdhatu, then things become a little bit clear. Then visheshana to lekhani. So there are two places. Ktantas, they take this karmani kriya vachakatva, or sometimes they simply take the visheshanatva. Like this. Okay.
Mahodaya, katichit does not necessarily mean a few, right?
Not necessarily. It means so many. It simply means so many, but in the context.
In the context, I can understand
Yeah,
a few.
yeah. But you should write so many, comma, a few.
Okay.
Technically, so that we take it in the correct sense according to the context of the paragraph, sentence, storyline, etc. Okay.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
But we know this is never true. Their desire is endless. If you give small coin, they look at you as if you are a poor fellow. Sometimes to not look like a poor fellow, you have to give some 10 rupee note or something. Yeah, it's funny how we react to Bhikshuka's feelings, because others are watching around us. Anyway, so in the above sentences, to the interrogative words kutra, kada, kutaha, kati, and katham, chit and chana have been affixed in the sense of uncertainty, or in the sense of a few also in some cases. These are called anishchayartakaha shabdaha. Anishchaya, that means non-deterministic meaning. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily mean a few, it is simply non-deterministic. I don't know that sense. Okay. Thus, a word ending in chit or chana denotes an unspecified thing or person or account or a place or whatever. Okay. Okay. So this table I will share. If you notice something out of place, advise me. As I think it is cleaned up over the many lessons I have taught. Okay. This will be a few. See here. Kati, katichit. So many, a few, inexact. I mean, both meanings are taken. Okay. Next, some exercises, and let's quickly try them. Okay. So let's do some crowdsourcing because of lack of time. According to the gender, number, and case of the Visheshya, fill in the blanks with suitable forms of Kim Shabda with Chit or Chana. So let us go with Chit for now. Okay? Otherwise, the crowdsourcing will become chaotic. So Chit is the thing we will choose. So dash chashakeshu, crowdsource.
Keshu chit.
Keshu chit chashakeshu. In some cups, like that. Okay? Some keshu chit chashakeshu. Coffee payam asti, something like that. Okay. Number 2, dash yuvatim.
Kachit.
Kanchit. Because ka, it's Dvitiya, Yuvatim, addressing. So Kanchit Yuvatim Aham Prishtavan. I asked some young girl, young lady, like that. Okay, Kanchana. Sorry, Chit also can be used. Chana is just I have chosen there. Kanchit Yuvatim Aham Kimapi Prishtavan. Something like that. Kimapi. Yeah. So dash Nagarebhyaha. Kebhyaschit nagarebhyaha. Well done. So kebhyaha we have to go, then add the chit. Kebhyaschit nagarebhyaha. Easy so far. Number 4. Dash utpitikayam.
Kasyanchit utpitika.
Kasyam, kasyam. Kasyanchit. So we get the Sudagama and the this thing. So kasyanchit or kasyanchana. Okay. Where is Kasyam? Right here. Kasyam. Where is Strilinga? Kaha, kau, kem, kam, kaya. Ka, kam, kaya, kasyaha, kasyaha, kasyam. So here there is no Sudagama because it is not Nakara, it is Makara. So only Parasavarnatva takes place. So Kasyanchit or Kasyanchana. There is no Sa sound. I made a mistake in pronouncing if I did. Kasyanchit, Kasyanchana. Utpitikayam. So upon some seat or something like that. Dash lekani nam. See, this is Shashti Bahuvachana. Lekanyaha, lekanyoho, lekani nam. Like that. So Shashti Bahuvachana. So Shashti is Ka Shabda. So we have to go Shashti. Just don't rush Bhagini. Don't rush Bhagini. Kasyaha is Ekavachana. Bahuvachana. Kasyaha kayoho kasam. So kasam has to be added to Chitarchana. Kasanchit or kasanchana, like I have here. Okay. So kasanchana or kasanchit is the answer. Okay. See, the process is important. That's why I'm showing you. Then that's why we have to know our vibhaktis. So lekaninam, what is it? So sitayaha, sitayoho, sitanam. So lekaninam. So like that, even from our Rama Sita Shabda, we can do something, even if it is Ikaranta. Okay. Dash dvajasya. Shashti, very easy. Kasyachit dvajasya. Very easy. Kasyachit dvajasya. Dvajaha dvajasya. So kasyachit dvajasya. Kaha kasya. Then kunchikaya. Kunchika iti strilinga.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Kena is pullinga. Kunchika is strilinga. Kaya chit. Okay. Answer is here only kaya. So kaya chit. Kaya chana. Okay. Dash vicharaihi. Kaischit. Very good. Kaihi plus chit or kaihi plus chana, and visarga goes to sha. So kaischit. Okay. Kaischit. Well done. Dash shatikayaha. Kasyaha plus chit. Kasyaschit. Okay. Kasyaha plus chit or kasyaha plus chana. Kasyaschana or kasyaschit. Okay. Of some shatika or maybe from some shatika, because Panchami also kasyaha only. See, kasyaha, kasyaha. So here now you see the technique here. So the first light blue is both Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Sorry, only Pullinga. Napumsakalinga is here in Kim Ke Kani. Because that is common, I have made it light color. Then this is Pullinga specific. Sorry, the dark blue is both Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. So Kena, all those things is applicable to Kim table also. Then Strilinga table completely there in all forms. Okay. So for some only I have shown Chana, but everywhere Chit is used for demonstration. Okay. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences in the previous exercise, as in the previous exercise. Oh, sorry. Tell Bhagini.
Kasya.
Why kasya? Why kasya?
No.
Palani is what vibhakti?
Palani napunsaka lingam bahuvachana.
Which vibhakti?
Vibhakti.
Pratama or Dvitiya. So what is the Kim Shabda in Pratama and Dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana?
Kanchana.
Fail.
Fail.
Kanichit.
Kani.
Kanichit.
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 Bhagini did all the analysis and threw the wrong answer into the pitch.
Sorry. That Ekvachanam, Bhagavachanam, I'm not looking into it.
No problem. Over time you will get it. At least you are getting the process. That is important. Okay. So Vargartha. So here question. Vayam adya dash katham shrunuyama. Katha is strilinga. So ka. And katham is dvitiya vibhakti. So kam. So kanchit. So kanchit katham shrunu. In some story we will listen today. Like that. Then Vargartham dash rajyebhyah janaha agataha. Rajyebhyah. What linga and vachana and vibhakti?
Rajyebhyah. This is a sixth
Others
vibhakti.
also jump in, please.
Sashti
Yeah.
vibhakti
Maithili's
Bahuvachana.
microphone is very powerful, but you should demonstrate your microphone's power.
Third.
Bahuvachanam.
See here, agataha. So from. So from is what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Ayyo. Panchami. Saptami is location. From the many states. From the many states, people came.
Naharat Rajyebhyah. Okay.
Kebhyah Rajyebhyah.
Kebhyah. So kebhyah and plus chit. Kebhyas chit. Very good. Kebhyas chit. Okay. Maithili Bhagini, don't be urgent. Just think through it, okay? Karyakrame dash balakam vedikam prati ahutavantah. Balakam. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana. Kanchana. Kinchana. Kam kim. So kaha kauke. Kam kaukan. Not kim, right? So kim is pratipadika. So kam kaukan. So kam plus chana. And makara goes to parasavarna. So kanchit or kanchana. So kamchit balakam. Like that it goes. So in the program, some boy, they invited to the student. Okay. Dash apaneshu uttama phalani prapyante. Apaneshu. Saptami bahuvachana. Rameshu. Okay. So kaha shabda in saptami bahuvachana is? Keshu plus chit? Keshu chit. No sandhi. Keshu chana or keshu chit? Keshu chit apaneshu uttama phalani prapyante. Well done. In some stores, superior fruits are obtained. Okay. Lokayane dash purushasya dhanasyutah nashtah. Ayyo. Purushasya.
Shashti
vibhakti ekavachana pullinga. Kasyachit. Okay. At last I heard a strong male voice. Kasyachit purushasya dhanasyutah nashtah. See, we men folk stand no chance with ladies. Lokayane kasyachit purushasya dhanasyutah nashtah. And always men lose. So that's how they stated. In the bus, some man's purse was lost. Nashtah abhavat. So again, Visheshanatva. Okay, so I think some more are there. So you guys do this rest of the exercise. Okay, some very good exercise is there in this. So it's worth trying. Take a scratch paper and try it out. And then check with the last few sheets to see the correct answer. Okay. So this is very interesting, this exercise, because in some places it is Purna Pratyayanta, in some places it is Sankhya Vachaka. For example, Purvam dash Krishikaha Asit. So here we cannot go Pratamaha Krishikaha Asit. Ekaha Krishikaha Asit we have to say. Okay. So I will just skip through those. You see, Ekaha will come. Then Tasya. So Putraha Asan. So many sons were there. So you cannot go again Purna Pratyayanta. You have to go Sankhya. And Pullinga. So Chatvaraha Putraha Asan. Like that. 4. So like this. And some places suddenly ranks will come. Pratamaha Putraha, Dvitiyaha Putraha, like that will come. So you have to understand the sentence mentally and then come back and fill whether it is Sankhya Vachaka, what Linga, what Vachana Vibhakti, or it is Purna Pratyayanta, what Linga, what Vachana Vibhakti, you have to add. Okay? So it's a very good exercise. I like this best. And you do this. Okay, I don't want to waste our time in the classroom doing that. So it's a big storyline, and with lots of possibilities, you try it out. Okay, then we will start with this segment in the next week. Today there is no afternoon class. Okay, so 3 o'clock no class. So we will start with Vyavaharika Shabdavali Saturday next. Any schedule changes due to any problems on my side, I will keep informed. But sometimes I cannot take all your permission. I'm going ahead with certain assumptions, but that's why I'm providing recordings for those who need to miss out. You can follow on the recording. Thank you very much.
Mahodaya,
Have a nice day. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Can
You
we
too have a
have
nice day.
can we have
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
classes in the afternoon on
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Saturdays and Sundays only one time, or both days, both the times will be proceeding?
See, Saturday, some people here are actually Saturday morning class only. I get a lot of objection. Okay, many people are actually busy on Saturdays morning, especially half a day work, some like that. So I am sticking to Sunday afternoon 1 hour, Bhagini. I have chosen that as
Astu
Okay.
Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Namaste.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.